date. Made in USA. Okay. It's not fun, is it? Here's what we're... Bum, bum, bum. Look at it, y'all. I knew it. I knew it. Let's see what we got here. All right. It's not my favorite. I wish these were 77s. Right? But look. Oh, wow. Look at this, babe.
That's crazy. There's a lot of them.
Yeah, there's a ton of these.
There's probably even more in another.
Hold on, look. Oh, look, we got some of the bigger ones. Look.
Awesome.
Look at this, y'all. Oh, that's Han Solo. Alright. Look at that. Woo! Dropping Star Wars everywhere. Alright, should we see if there's another one?
Yeah.
Do you want these, babe? I'll give them to you in a minute. Alright. So we're lucky one. It says episode. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Grimes Finds. It is the day I've been waiting for 2 weeks, right? How many units have we bought in the last 2 weeks?
9.
0, because we've been selling everyone else's stuff from units, y'all. So literally, check this out. Real quick story. I know y'all want to get straight to it. Actually, look, I'll tell you why I bought it real quick, and then I'll tell you a quick story. How about that?
Sounds
okay,
good.
so this is a 10 by 30, okay?
Let's look at that.
We are about 10 feet into it, okay? So, yeah, just kind of scan around. Some of the reasons I wanted, I did see this older style mattress along with this antique furniture. I did see these doors were missing, but I saw this old school chair, I saw the stool, I saw this, so I was like, man, this is old. And not only that, look at this. Look at this beautiful dust. Okay, so
no handprints on the dust.
now let's shoot straight the reason I bought it. Okay, I did see all the older antiques. I saw tons of dust and I saw tons of boxes. I paid, how much did we pay for this?
$550.
$550 total with buyer's premium?
Not with buyer's premium.
Okay.
$600.
We paid about $600 for this unit right now. Hold on. Anyone have serious military buyers? Yeah. Pirate actually just scored a big unit in California right now. I'm a little jealous to know, but I'm super pumped. So anyway, look, Star Wars. I know it's episode 1, but I saw all these, and I could tell they were empty boxes, but I could clearly see that was still in there from the picture, and I could see that the zip tie was still around it, which means it's still sealed. Okay? And so I saw that. I saw this Star Wars stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I saw this, and I thought it was, just the picture was blurry. I thought this was some kind of toy, which it's not. But look, collector DVD set. It's empty. Lord of the Rings. That looks like a some kind of cardboard display stand, maybe for Star Wars or something. So anyway, I saw a ton of old boxes. Here, let me climb up here and show them. Hey, so look. Can't really see what's in the back. I did see that. Oh, I thought that was a couch. So that's awesome. That's not a couch. Wow. Anyway, oh look. There's a little printer's tray. Hey, I think there's going to be a lot of collectibles in here. So here's the story real quick. I rushed around to get this unit. We haven't bought a unit in 2 weeks, and I said, we're giving them videos. We are giving them fresh storage unit videos, and dang it, so I bid $1,000 on this unit out in Fort Worth this morning. They charged my card, and actually, I'll tell you, it was on Storage Treasures, and I'm actually not upset because I understand things happen. But so we raced out there. We were calling the facility because normally we call them before we drive out there. So they charged our card. We started driving out there. We were calling them, and then we get there, and the lady says, "Oh, well, it's been canceled." And I said, "So," but she was acting weird, and she kept changing her story. And she said, "Well, it got paid for." I said, "So the tenant paid for it?" And she said, "Yes." Well, she didn't say yes at first. And so I got out of the car and I told Gene, I said, something ain't right. So I called corporate. He got into the system, looked. He told me that he can't see that it was paid for. So anyway, I don't know what the deal is. I'm following up on it because I spent $1,000 on it. There was clearly a dirt bike in there, a full-size one. There was a safe. There was a lockbox up on top, and there was another metal lockbox down in the corner. Not in this one. You just looked.
I just looked.
But anyway, so we are back here in Dallas, actually like 5 minutes from the shop. And I told Gina, so I hopped back online and I bought the 2 units that were available that I thought were the best. So this was one of the best ones, and then I got another 12 by 36 for $150. And you'll see that video this weekend too, I think. But anyway, so hey, we are giving you fresh storage videos for at least the next 4 days. So anyway, I gotta see this. Let's get to it. You want to just get to it?
Yeah, let's get to it.
So I'm gonna throw this empty box up here. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna kind of just dig a little bit, just to it gives me an idea of what to expect in the unit. So this looks like old bathroom stuff. What is one of my favorite boxes?
Bathroom boxes.
Bathroom boxes. Why?
Because there's jewelry.
Jewelry. Typically, there's jewelry. Huh? Oh, look.
Buckles.
Belt buckles. Ooh, those are
They're all upside down. Let's see.
snap on.
Yep.
Oh, that's
Oh,
really
that's
pretty.
neat. Yeah.
That's really pretty. Oh, bear. Baby bear and the mom bear.
Cool.
So hey, that's kind of jewelry. Is there more jewelry in there? No, that's a shaver. Oh man, you know how long it's been since I got to shake something to see if something was inside? Huh? You ready? How long you been going?
Just now?
Okay, all right. Hey, so anyway, we got a phone call. Katie called, and anyway, more frustrations about the storage unit facilities, but anyway, I'll share that another day. Anyway, so this is a bathroom box. I will go through this later because I do think we'll probably find more jewelry. So I did see all of these, which usually if they keep them like this,
It's usually in there.
I'm going to
It
assume
is.
that it's in one of these boxes. That's what I'm assuming right now. And so I'm going to try to keep these as nice as possible until then. I hope we find all these toys. How cool would it be if we found all of these Star Wars toys?
That would be really neat.
Oh man, the big ship. Oh look.
Let's see that one.
Oh man, a tease, bro. Feels empty. It is empty. Collectibles, M3 creature, diorama.
Oh, that's neat.
How cool would that? It's not in there though. But this is clearly in here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, actually, it's not sealed. It's been popped. Oh no, maybe it is. Well, I'm gonna pop it. It's episode 1. Oh, look in here.
Oh, doesn't look like it's ever
Nope,
been taken out.
it's never been taken out. Look at that. So I'm not sure what this is. If you guys want to, you can go ahead and research this right now. I'm going to do it obviously when I get back to the shop or home. Star Wars Episode 1, infrared remote, electronic, what is it? The Royal Starship. Alright, so check that out. Look that up for me. Comment down below what you find. Sold listings, not asking. Alright, you want to dig in some boxes?
Yeah, let's get in this box.
Alright. I'm going to move some of this stuff. I don't know why these boxes are calling my name right here.
Yeah, the.
Yeah. Oh, look, this is sealed.
Oh, awesome.
Oh, wait, is it sealed?
It looks like it's sealed, but it doesn't sound like it.
Yeah, it is too sealed. That's, I think, a remote.
Oh, cool.
But what is it? CD,
The Sony-
DVD player. All right, hold on. Put that down. Did he just pull over? Is it still recording? Oh, hold on. We're gonna pause it for a minute. What is this dude doing? Did you pause it?
No.
Pause it. All right. Hey, sorry that this car like started creeping up and like peeking in here. And one of my fears is like not that they're gonna attack us or something, but one of the owners coming because I know I'm gonna start feeling bad for them. It's only a matter of how much stuff I'm gonna give them back for free. And I'm trying to run a business, but I totally get it. So anyway, that's why we kind of paused for a minute. So anyway, hey, look, I popped this box open. Look, I'm already seeing more sellables. Okay, a Mr. Potato Head. This is actually kind of cool.
That's cool.
Like a little pull
What is
toy.
that?
It's like a pull toy puzzle.
Oh, that's fun.
It's supposed to be an alligator. Well, that's a sellable item,
Yeah.
right? So we paid $500 or $600. We'll say $600 for this unit. I have a feeling there might be a lot of trash in here too, but I think there's gonna be a lot of treasures. A lot of treasures. Man, I just want to start popping up every box I come to. All right, let's get this out of the way.
Okay.
Let's see what's this big one. All right, what do we got in here? We got a tripod, some blankets, and ooh, we need this. Hey, look.
Alright.
This is the best wrapping paper for shipping.
That is.
So here we go. There it is. What is this? So this is what I thought was maybe a toy display. It might have been. Oh, man. Oh, is that a toy up there? I don't have my glasses on. I'm gonna put my glasses
Where?
on. See the very back underneath that rolled mat? Yeah, it is. It says it's a Star Wars 3D puzzle.
Oh, cool. Yeah. Okay.
All right, so hey, I'm getting this out of the way.
Okay.
All right, so what's in here? More paper. And look, more Star Wars boxes, right? Tons of boxes. Where are the toys at? Think they're in the back?
I hope so.
Man, I hope they're in the back. Think I can step on this without falling?
You usually do.
I usually do. All right, what do we got? This is a nice little printer's tray.
Oh, that is
Right?
nice. Yep.
There's this nice crate up here that's kind of broke. A cranberry crate. It's kind of cool, right? Is that really Christmas? Oh, I love when I open Christmas boxes, and it's not Christmas. Uh-oh.
We get so much Christmas.
We did. I found something. Oh, no, there's anything in it.
Oh, it's a doll case. I wonder if there's doll stuff in there.
Be jewelry. Oh, it is doll stuff.
I feel like I had that exact one, actually.
That's a weird looking thing right there.
That is weird. That was like voodoo-ish.
What's this? What is this? Let's see. Linens, manufacturer and distributors, highest quality colors, resulting in amazing low prices. Oh, look, it's old books. Oh, there's some watercolors under there.
That's pretty.
Whoa, hey, what if these watercolors under here belong to this person?
Yeah.
This artist?
That'd be awesome.
Hold on, what's this?
Do we have any?
Neola? This is Neola, 1970. And these are all by that person. We're gonna need to get these. We're gonna look at them.
We're gonna Google them.
We're gonna research them. So that might be nice. Where's the Star Wars toys? Dang it! You think they're in the back?
They could be.
I feel like I'm about to have to go back and find out.
Yeah. You have to
I don't know. I feel
hand
like
you the
there's
camera.
So many boxes. Green hanging that says Christmas. This says Dallas.
Lots of
The
boxes.
Easter baskets in there. Man, the boxes in here are so brittle; they're just falling apart in my hand.
I wonder if the manager knows how long it would have been paid
I bet if we
for.
go ask her. She's really nice, so I bet if we go ask, we can find out. Hold on, I'm gonna give them a better look. All right, now we can see what we're working with. Hold on. Just gonna pop open random boxes and see what we got. So we got some ironstone, made in England. That's actually a pretty
That's
pattern.
pretty, yeah.
So actually, I feel like this. What's this stuff? Look how old and yellow this newspaper is. I love it. Okay. Oh, look at that. That's a weird freaking bottle opener. That's pretty weird.
Yeah. Is that just a piece of wood?
It's just something somebody made, it looks like. This is going to be a good unit. There's going to be a lot of collectibles in this. Look at that.
Oh, that's neat.
Little sifter. How cool is that?
Is that a flour sifter?
That's what I would assume. Yeah, for food mill. Foley manufacturer. That's cool. Alright. Oh, look. Oh, yeah. Hey, I don't mind Christmas stuff when it's like this. Look, novelty mini teapots. There's a lot of new Christmas. Oh, look. Whoa.
Oh, cool.
That-
Model airplane.
Yeah, but check this out. There's a stealth bomber in here, too. Something looks like a stealth bomber.
Do I need to get up there?
Oh, look.
Ah, that's cool too.
Spy plane.
We sold a lot of those.
Yeah, we have. What else? What else? Mickey Mouse, look. Glass ornaments.
Oh, those are cute.
Okay.
Hey, that's a Katie gift right there.
Yeah, there's a ton more in here. Hold on, I'm ringing. Let me make sure it's not an emergency. Don't know. Alright, here, let me see the camera. I'm going to show them.
Okay.
Alright, so look, guys, here's we are. Look, there's boxes right there. More old newspaper. More new old newspaper. Oh, look, something says M&M over there. Okay. I'm seeing Star Wars over there. Actually, let me see if I can show you. 3D puzzle right there. There's the M&Ms. Okay. That's what I'm seeing so far, and just tons and tons and tons of boxes. Okay. I might try to make my way back here in a minute without breaking anything. Here, you take that back, dear. Okay. Set some of these sellable items over here. We'll just pop some. Look. Okay, we'll do it this way. Can you see that better?
Yeah, I can see it. Glass bottle.
Yeah. Man, the paper is just so fragile. Okay. Newer stuff. Man, where's the Star Wars toys? I don't know. Hey, we try to stay low key, y'all.
That's right.
Low
We don't want
key.
people to know that we're YouTubers.
We don't want them to know. And
Or
I
like
cannot
that
be
until
getting-
we're off the property.
Oh, that's kind of cute.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
this
it's kinda
one
weird.
that sits on a shelf.
Yeah.
So that's kind of cute.
Never seen Christmas bunnies before.
Hey. All right, let's see what we got in this one. What's that? Packed and distributed. What's that say? ABC Distributing.
Yeah, distributing ink.
It's a new product.
Yep.
What do you think
Open
it
it
is?
up. It's Christmas decor.
Is it? Is that what it says?
That's what the side of the box says.
What, this one?
This box, yeah.
Alright, let's see. Oh, it looks pretty. Look at that. Look.
Ooh, they're teacups and
Yeah.
saucers. I like that.
What else is in here?
Not Christmas decor.
It's not
people.
Christmas decor, y'all. That's like, that's what I hate the most, probably. Hey, this is old school. This is how
You
I
made
used
it.
to go through units.
Old school.
Let's look in here. A little mail, personal mail.
Personalized.
I like finding personal stuff because that means this is probably Christmas. It is Christmas. The old Santa head. Still new. It's got the prices
cute.
on it.
Yeah. Hey, are we doing the Christmas decorating contest?
Huh?
Are we doing?
Oh, we are doing the Christmas decorating contest. Oh, look, this kind of hand this is. Oh, look, it's a walk. Little electric
Oh, yeah.
walk. Good sellable item. It was a good sellable
It
item.
would. It's still good,
It is.
y'all. You didn't break it.
They give me such a hard time, though.
They do.
People
Hey,
do.
how many people like Justin's sweater?
Yeah, y'all like my sweaters?
He's being Coogee style
I'm being
today.
Coogee style. Uh-oh, what do we got in here?
Oh,
Collectibles?
that's a
Oh,
hat,
look.
which might be selling well. What is that?
Course to find. Is that for ice?
There's a
Yeah.
coffee.
Oh, look, ice. It's an ice crusher.
Ooh.
And you can put it to coarse or fine. This is old school. If you want to crush
That is old.
ice back in the day, I guess that's how you had to do it, huh?
Trucker hat.
trucker hat. Some kitty cat mugs. Uh-oh, look. What are these? It's Pepper.
Pepper.
So random. I think we're going to find a lot of really cool
Yeah,
stuff in this
I
unit.
think so too.
Let's see what we got in here. Looks like some kind of country Halloween pencil figures. Oh, how cute. Look, and these are brand new. Look. Huh.
That is cute.
Yeah. Probably a whole set of them in there. Anyway, so that's brand new. So yeah, you thinking $600 was a good buy on
Yeah,
this
I
one?
think so.
I can already tell you right now. I think this is going to be a $6,000 unit. We'll flip it into $6,000. Hopefully more. Okay. Looks like some old cameras. Oh no, what is that? Yeah, that's an old camera. Huh?
Yeah, that is a really
Okay.
old camera.
Man, where are the toys? Where are the toys at? Such a tease.
We'll just find all kinds of great
Floors.
collectibles and no toys.
Yeah, I'll be okay with that. Ooh, man, that's a lot of dust, bro. A lot of dust. Uh-oh.
Oh. Drawer box.
First, I thought this was a shaver.
Now it sounds like a drawer box.
It's pretty heavy, too.
One. Oh man, you didn't count.
I'll do it for y'all, but I'm going to cheat. Right?
Right.
Hey. We found gold in here. That'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it? Would it be cool?
It'd be very cool.
I don't know. Trying to look. No. Look, here's what was in it. Doesn't. Oh, well, dropped one. Doesn't mean that it's not valuable, y'all. That just means I don't have time to go through it right now. That's definitely vintage. That's probably sterling. Here's the match to it. Okay. So that's cool for that box. That's so random. Look. Baseball glove. Uh-oh. Might have hit it. I don't know. Let's see. It's like one of those. Is that one of those like things that you incense things?
Huh?
You know, like the Catholic people that go around and start whipping each other with the smoke and stuff.
I don't. There's usually a kind of a spear at the end
Oh,
of it.
look at this.
With burning incense.
Ooh, please be
Oh,
sterling.
that's cool.
It's made in Mexico.
Good sign.
What does it say? It's really pretty though. Look at that.
Oh, that is
I
really
think
good.
that is silver.
Yeah.
That's really beautiful. We're going to take that with us. Don't you think we should
Yeah,
take that with
I
us?
think we should.
Okay, let's take that with us. Uh-oh. Little naughty business going. Is your... Oh, let me check my phone. It's going off like a mat. Oh, it's...
I'm on airplane mode. So
You are? Okay, it's just pirate. Let me check. He's sending me videos of his unit.
This is let's see this model these guys. Airborne. Contra, that's a vintage Contra Costa Sheriff. That's airborne. Mike, do you have any idea on
Y'all
this?
want? Hey, y'all want a sneak peek at Pirate's next video? Y'all don't tell him I did this, but look.
That is an older tab.
Hey, he
Can
might be
you
mad
see
at
it?
you.
Hey, he ain't gonna be
because-
mad at me. He loves me. Oh, that's all you get.
That's all.
Hey, let me
That's
tell
all
you something.
there
That unit looks fantastic. Y'all better tune in to his channel. Anyway, so we got through that one. Man, I'm kind of hoping there's some more jewelry up in here. Look at this old book. Women's
Ah.
Exchange Cookbook.
That's cool.
Definitely
Very
different.
old.
Yeah, it's very, very old.
What does it say on the inside?
I don't know. I'm about to look. Just don't want to.
Copyright.
I don't want
Oh
to.
no.
Oh, wow, look at that. 1901, y'all. Oh, don't.
Let me turn it.
Right there, you see it?
Awesome.
1901.
Look at it.
I'm freaking loving this unit.
Yeah,
y'all.
this is
I'm
great.
stinking loving this unit. Every box I pop open, this is office stuff. Is what I was going after because I love office boxes too. It's all different. Look, green hanging folders.
Right?
Is that what it is?
I don't know. They haven't been very good about
The right
being
stuff
what
in
it
the boxes.
is. Yeah.
Scribner's
That's kind of cool.
Fiction. What is that though?
It looks like kind of like a stained glass advertising thing.
I'm not sure what Scribner's is, but I'll look that up. Hey, it's another shelf doll. That's actually cute.
Yeah, that's
It's a
cute.
cow. All right, how many minutes we at, babe?
16.
16. All right, we're gonna try to keep these to 25 minutes. Good thing we got plenty of boxes to go through.
I know.
Florida Santa. Okay, this is more paperwork. All right, hey, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a quick break real quick. I'm gonna hop all the way in the back and see if I can find any of the toys. If I do, I'll bring those boxes up and we'll go through them with you and we'll be right back. So when I was about to hop down, I thought those were gun cases. I don't know how good you can see the black ones, but there's 3 things down there. Now, actually what they look like is some kind of art holders. So finding the art in the boxes over there, combined with that, I think we might have some art in there. Anyway, look at the side of that box. I can see that it says episode on it. So I'm hoping all of the toys are in those boxes. And so what I'm going to attempt to do right now is we're going to go find out right now. And if I fall, it's just going to be good for views, right, babe? Oh my God. Oh, here we go. Yeah, here we go. YouTube gold. All right, this is hard. Hold on. I know this is making y'all dizzy, but my wife said she wasn't climbing back here.
I said I don't think I'd be able to.
All right, look. Oh, is that Star Wars? Is that the Star Wars we're looking for? Is it? Man, I wish I had somebody back here to help me. It's all right. Started this on my own. I'm gonna finish it. I'm joking. Well, actually, no, that's actually. Oh, what is this? Hello. Oh, well, hey, we're taking a break from getting to Star Wars to find out what is wrapped up in here. Sorry, y'all. I know this is horrible. Oh. You trying to get back here?
I'm trying.
Alright, I think these are just bed rails. Oh, is that a big wooden box? Alright, hey, y'all hold on 1 second. Because this is not going very well. I'm like 2 feet from the box. Never mind. I'm going for it. Alright, no I'm not. I can't. I'm gonna fall. Are you coming, babe? Alright, I can. Whoa! I made it. I made it to the puzzle. It sounds like it's in there. What's in this one? Okay. Not what I was hoping for. Let's see what's in here. Perfect picture puzzles. Oh, these are old puzzles. How cute. Look at those. They're not in there. So we got a date. Made in USA. Okay. Yeah, it's not fun, is it? Here's what we're... Ah! Bum, bum, bum. Look at it, y'all. I knew it. I knew it. Let's see what we got here. All right. It's not my favorite. I wish these were 77s. Right? But look. Oh, wow. Look at this, babe.
That's crazy. There's a lot of them.
Yeah, there's a ton of
There's
these.
probably even more in another.
Hold on, look. Oh, look, we got some of the bigger ones. Look.
Awesome.
Look at this, y'all. Oh, that's Han Solo. Alright. Look at that. Woo! Dropping Star Wars everywhere. Alright, should we see if there's another one?
Yeah.
Do you want these, babe? I'll give them to you in a minute. Alright. So we're lucky one. It says episode. 1, 2. Oh! Look at that, y'all. More action figures. Hello. 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 You know who that's from? Oh, look at this.
Type in the comments.
Snow Control
who Harold
Trooper. You know what? What if this was his later collection because of all the dust and stuff in here?
Uh-huh.
Here, can you record a little bit?
I'm gonna try.
You can just sit right there. Cop a squat and you can... Y'all, this is the worst filming ever. Oh my gosh, are we gonna get 3 boxes of action figures?
Oh, don't fall.
I sunk.
You sunk.
Ah, look, guys.
Oh man.
More action figures.
I'm zooming in.
Are you?
Yep.
You think there's 4 boxes of action figures?
Could be.
We are literally in the back of the unit.
Look, y'all.
Hey,
That's what we climbed up to get back here.
hey, babe, check this out. You want some more action figures?
More action figures. Yep.
Oh, look,
Oh,
Lord of the Rings. We are not just
Not just
gonna
Star
have
Wars.
Star Wars. What was that? Old Pez? Oh, Darth Vader Pez. He had multiples, so this might have been. Look.
It's the same thing.
Yep. Well, it's one of the same ones. Oh, he's missing. Let's see. Oh, look. Here's some different ones.
Yep.
Okay. Darth Maul. Okay. You think we get 5? No way. There's 5.
There could be.
No way. There's 5 boxes of Star Wars action figures. I swear, if all of this is Star Wars, oh my gosh. Well,
Oh, more Star Wars.
hey, maybe that was just the good Lord protecting us from that unit out there. Because this seriously, I was like, we have to give them a video. And there was only a few units left, and I picked this one, and wowzers. Wowzers. Look at that. Still sealed.
Yep.
Still sealed. Okay, look, we got more action figures. Look at this, all full of action figures. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Wow. Look, even different kind. Oh, they're not in there. Oh, here they are. Oh, that's cute.
Oh, cool. They glow in the dark.
Yeah. So, how cool is that? Surely there's not. How many are we on? 6?
Oh, I don't know how many boxes. I stopped counting. Sorry.
Surely there's not 6 boxes of Star Wars, right? Oh, we might have hit the dry spell, y'all.
Oh man.
We got flowers.
Flowers.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Ah!
No, more flowers.
That's all right. Hey,
Hey, do you know what? Flowers sell in bulk.
man.
We did a liquidation full of flowers
Oh,
once.
oh! 6 boxes
6
of action
boxes.
figures. Oh wow, babe, we're getting better. We're getting better.
Yeah. Oh, that's an older one, isn't it?
No, it's like a
Is it a
anniversary
reprint?
top one. It's not the original one. so
Yeah.
for sure. But look, more.
Yep.
Oh look, this is for D-Day anniversary, so that means we're not just Star Wars, y'all. Oh look, Lord of the Rings.
Cool.
2 of them.
Yep.
Surely not. You think?
Possibly.
What if I want to find originals? Uh-oh. Hey, look, these are the choice of empty boxes, guaranteed.
Oh, awesome.
Oh, look. Jabba the Hutt.
Jabba the Hutt.
What? No way. No freaking way. You think we're gonna get 8 boxes?
That was me.
OMG, I see Darth Vader's head.
What?
Are you getting a good shot of this?
Yeah. It's actually not too bad.
Look,
I just have to zoom in.
that's what I saw when I opened up, was Darth.
Ah, there he is.
Oh, he's glass. Is he glass? What is this, a top? Some kind of electronic. This is more of the toys that are wrapped up in bubble wrap. I'm sure to... Look, there's a bunch of new Pez in here. Chewbacca. Dude, there's no way that they don't have a box of the old figures. There's just no way. More Pez. Star
Oh.
Wars Pez. Disney Pez. If you want to start a band, you can.
Yeah. Tambourine.
What do I always joke with all my
Your musician
with all my
friends.
musician friends? I'm like, do y'all got a spot for me? I can kill the tambourine.
Tambourine.
Which that's unproven yet. but I feel like I could. No way. You think that big white one's Star Wars?
Oh, I can't even see that big white one.
Am I blocking you? Oh, dude, I'm so like deep down in this hole. I just fell like in a hole.
How are you gonna get out? I already showed him what we climbed up to get back here.
Oh, shit. Shoot.
PG, come on.
I'm sorry. Oh, I crawled all the way back here for this.
What
I'm
is
joking.
it?
Hey, that's money too.
Oh, nativity.
Yep. Oh, look, there's Hot Wheels. You know I like things that shake. Oh. Surely not. Are we over with Star Wars, you think?
Hopefully not. There's, I
Hey,
mean,
did I show you this one?
I think I'm sitting 5
Whoa.
boxes high, so there has to be, there's stuff
I
underneath
didn't show
us.
this one yet, did I?
I don't
I
remember.
think maybe I did. I don't know. No, episode 1. I don't know. There's so many. I don't have anywhere room to put anything else. Oh, Christmas tins. Halloween. I gotta get to this big box down here. Uh-oh! The big box. Man, I wish. Oh, yes, baby. Now we're getting to where I want. Now we're getting to where we want.
Nice and old. Hey, can you?
Oh, these
possibly-
are all. Hold on, babe.
Let me see if I can get any
Bottom
closer
box?
to you.
Huh?
So let me see if I can get any closer to you.
Okay, hold on. I'll bring this up to you. Look. Okay, there's one more down here on the bottom. I'm gonna
Yeah,
give
those are the old ones.
That's puzzles.
Yeah. Those
Yeah, those are definitely the
Whoa.
old ones. Hey, y'all wait right. I'll be right back.
He'll be right back.
Uh-oh. Holy crap. Alright, I can't get that out. Whew. Hold on, y'all. It's getting real back here. It's getting super real. Alright, hey, I cannot get that box out. It's jammed down there. But it's another box just like this. I can't tell if it's all puzzles, but it's a big box, and on top was an older school, like,
Star Wars.
yeah. So, hold on. I wanna
You know what
just-
that means?
What?
It means they're just gonna have to watch the next episode to see what
Oh,
was in
absolutely. Hey, how many minutes are we at?
there. 11, 12,
So how many is that total, you think?
at least 28.
At least 28. Okay,
Probably
so here's
30.
the, hey,
Probably
here-
30.
Here's the dang deal. Man, how you feel about this unit?
Oh, I'm feeling good.
I'm feeling real dang
Feeling
good.
really
There's going to be a
good.
good mix.
Yep.
So anyway, hey, here's the dang deal. We're trying to keep these to 30 minutes max, 25 to 30 minutes. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe our page first, right? Help us hit 10,000. Also, we will be sorry that we took so long off of doing storage unit videos. We've just been super busy selling other people's stuff, right?
Yeah.
But that's part of what we do. I don't like it because I have to watch all their videos of them finding treasures like this. My first day back on the job or outside here, boom, Star Wars hit. So anyway, hey, other than that, we'll see you at the next unit. All right.